Look, you still paying extra for burrito bowls? You late. Let's get into it. Let's cut open some chicken breast, seasoning, paprika, lemon pepper, Goya. You know, if it don't smell right now, it won't taste right later. Believe that. Let's go ahead and mix it up. Now I did make some ground beef too. Watch over while I fluff the rice. But look at this chicken though. This the part where people start hovering in the kitchen. Rule number one, if you rush your toppings, you don't respect burrito bowls. Balance it out. Every bite gotta make sense. You get what I'm saying? Anyway, let's top it off with some lettuce. Let's top it off with some pico, some onions. Let's squirt that thing around with some sour cream. A little bit of taco sauce. Yeah, this bowl ain't making it till tomorrow. But yeah, I did my thing on this one. Told you.